Good day mga katuknangan in Pampanga. Today I'm gonna show you the Nanea single attached. Meron po siyang lot area na 90 square meter at ang kanyang floor area is 64.50 square meter. With a total contract price of 6.3 million. Let's go inside guys para maipakita po kung gaano kaganda ang Nanea single attached. On this side po, this is a garage, a carport for 2 cars. And nasa inyo na po kung paano nyo aayusin yung facades ng ating bahay. So magandang gate, mas maganda. At mas lalong gaganda ang harap ng inyong tahanan. Let's go inside guys. When you come inside guys, makikita po natin ang living area natin, where you can relax, enjoy watching TV. And on the other side, dito po natin pwedeng ilagay ang ating dining area. May lababo na rin po siya. And sa likod naman, kung maselan po kayo sa pagluluto at ayaw yung mga moy ang magandang bahay ninyo, you can put a wash area and dirty kitchen at the back. So, nasa inyo na lang po kung paano nyo siya aayusin, and if you can maximize the lot area which is the 90 square meter. And for the common area, for the common CR, nandito po. As you can see, malaki po ang CR niya sa baba. Now, I'm going to show you the second floor of Nanea. Ginawa po yung bahay na ito, dinagdagan po yung mga bintana nila just because to maximize at para makatipid na rin po tayo ng kuryente. Even though magpapatay po tayo ng kuryente, the light of the sun comes in. So nandito na po ngayon tayo sa second floor. So sa second floor po, meron siyang dalawang comfort room. We have the common CR right over here. And the bedroom 1. And also we have the bedroom 2. Kung nakikita nyo po, they put a window type AC. So nasa inyo po if you can put the split type. Okay, and also we have 2 windows here para naman na pumapasok ang hangin. Okay, now I'm going to show you the master's bedroom. Ang master's bedroom ho ay meron din siyang CR. Okay, this is the master's bedroom. And may sarili po siyang comfort room dito. As you can see kung gaano po kalaki ang comfort room niya. So, lahat po ng mga bahay, pwede tayong magpalagay ng sliding door dito. Okay? Para yung tubig hindi gaanong napupunta dito. Sa master's bedroom po, meron naman siyang nakalagay na balcony where you can relax. Kung pagod na pagod po tayo sa kakatrabaho, ayan, you can relax here, you can drink coffee, and also makikita nyo ang view ng Mount Arayan. Okay. This house, Nanea single attached, with a total contract price of 6.3 million. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Don't forget to call me para po ma-assist ko kayo sa inyong pag-acquire ng inyong sariling bahay. Don't forget to call me or text me, and these are my numbers. God bless po.